Welcome to Bytes, Bolts, and beyond. Caravan travel, Aussie adventures, and everything that keeps us moving. Hidden in Western Australia's great southern, just north of the Stirling Ranges, lies a quiet chain of salt lakes, ancient echoes of a long vanished waterway. This is Cranbrook's Pink Lake, a surreal mirror of rose and bubblegum, painted by tiny algae and halobacteria thriving in hypersaline shallows. In the golden light of late summer, the water glows electric pink, fading to soft pastel as clouds drift overhead. Look a little closer. The glassy surface captures perfect reflections, silhouettes of distant trees and sky, doubled in this dreamline basin. A fragile, otherworldly beauty born from salt, sun, and silence. Cranbrook's pink secret, one of nature's rarest palettes. Breathe it in before the breeze ripples it away.